Balita ko naghanap ka ng gaming laptop na reliable and yet affordable. Normally, when you talk about gaming laptops, nagpipresyo yung mga 70, 80, 90, 100,000 pesos and above. How about sabihin ko sa inyo, may re-recommend ako sa inyo na gaming laptop that is priced at 50,000 pesos. Interesado ka na? Pakita ko sa inyo after this intro. So ito ang pinag-uusapan natin. This is the colorful na EVOL P15 na gaming laptop. And this one is being powered by Intel Core i5 na 12th gen na processor, RTX 40 series na gaming graphics card, 512 M.2 SSD, 16GB na DDR5 na memory, and 144Hz na screen refresh rate. And if you take it out of the box, this is what you'll get. A really nice na gaming laptop from Colorful. And inside the box, meron siyang user guide and of course, meron siyang charging brick na hindi ganun kakapal. This is a 180 watts na power brick. First thing na mapapansin mo dito is medyo may pagka-retro na para futuristic ang kanyang design. I like the way it is color green niya, no? And itong chrome finish na bar na ito looks really nice. And this is how it looks like dito sa kanyang likod. You have two fans over here. Andito yung mga internal niya, mga heatsink pipe niya, no? Meron siyang 4 na vents dito, no? Isa dito, and on the other side, ganun din, isa dito, and isa dito. So giving you a really nice cooling system. This one has 6 na copper heat pipes for better heat dissipation. Now if you open your laptop, this is what you'll see. A really nice na keyboard. And what's nice din this kanya is meron pa siyang numpad, no, na normally hindi mo makita sa mga gaming laptops. But si Colorful, sinama niya ang numpad dito to give you that extra option, lalo na if you're somebody who likes number crunching sa spreadsheets. What I like dito is kaya meron siya anti-skid na trackpad. Medyo hindi lang siya ganun ka-generous. Not that big. The typing experience dito is really nice. Tahimik siya, no? Hindi siya clicky, hindi siya tulad ng mga mechanical keyboard. It's quite quiet. And meron siya RGB na backlit, so definitely giving you that extra feel as a gamer. And ang dami na stickers dito. Kita nyo, meron siyang Windows 11 na sticker, HDMI na sticker, Sound Blaster na sticker, NVIDIA na sticker, and of course, ang Intel Core i5 sticker. Honestly, itong laptop na to is not really that heavy. Kaya ko nga hawakan isang kamay without any problem. And nakakatuwa dito sa kanya isang kanyang power button. Mukhang mala robot-ish na power button. And we have your standard webcam dito sa ibabaw. Now, tinan muna natin yung mga ports dito sa kaliwa. You have a combo audio jack, USB 2.0, USB 3.2 na Gen 1, and meron ka pang Kensington lock dito. Then on the other side, you have a USB 3.2 na Type A, USB 3.2 na Type C, pwede rin ito maging display port. And sa likod kita natin, meron siyang LAN port, power in, andito ka ng HDMI port, and of course, ang kanyang mini DP port. And that rounds out lahat ng in and out ports na meron dito sa laptop na ito. So right now, boot up muna natin siya. Pakita natin ang kanyang power button, meron siyang ilaw din sa gilid. And you have your Colorful logo over here. And what's nice din dito sa kanya is matte finish, so wala siyang glare. So ang kanyang screen is a 15.6-inch na IPS LCD with a 144Hz na screen refresh rate, 72% NTSC, 1920 by 1200. One of the good things dito sa laptop na ito, sobrang ganda mag-multitask dito. I'm doing a lot of things dito sa kanya for the past 2 weeks, watching videos over YouTube or pwede ka manood sa mga Netflix dito. It's really nice. Ang clear ng kanyang screen. And of course, everybody loves browsing on Facebook dito. It's definitely good. And marami naman ako napanood dito na videos like Korean novela, watching some K-pop, watching some basketball games, and even watching some anime dito. It's definitely good. Watching together with the whole family, whole barkada, this laptop definitely can perform. And the sound nito is being tuned by Sound Blaster. Pakinggan lang natin kung gaano ka okay ang kanyang sound dito. So as you can hear na ang kanyang sound is okay, not the loudest that I've found on a gaming laptop, but it's quite decent enough. Now, be it enjoying on Spotify, watching videos, or just simply playing some games, okay naman ang kanyang loudspeaker. But if you want something na mas okay, mas immersive, I would suggest na gamitin ang kanyang combo audio jack to put on your favorite headphones. Now, checking ka ng color vibrance dito sa kanyang screen, I would say okay naman siya, no? Probably not the most accurate, but the color accuracy for me, it's okay to edit sa Photoshop dito, sa Premiere Pro. I was able to get a lot of jobs done dito sa Premiere Pro dito sa laptop na ito. And one of the good things din dito sa kanya, ang exporting speed is quite fast. Even faster than my regular laptop na ginagamit ko. Now, this laptop is being powered by Windows 11 na Home Edition. This one is a single language na Home Edition. And it's a licensed one, by the way. So, basahin ko lang quickly some specs dito. This one is being powered by a 12th gen na Intel Core i5 12450H, 16 gigs of RAM. And this one is a 64-bit na Windows 11 edition. Meron ba bang gumagamit ng 32-bit? And inside this laptop, it's being powered by NVIDIA na GeForce RTX 4050 with a 6 gigs of memory. It has a max TGP of up to 140 watts and it also supports DLSS 3. Playing all of your favorite titles dito would definitely be a breeze. It's going to be definitely better than your RTX na 30 series. So before tayo mag-proceed sa gaming, tingnan muna natin some benchmark that I got from 3D Mark. And since it's Christmas time, I feel generous. So, iti-tear down natin yung ilalim nitong laptop na ito and I'll let you see the internals nito. Okay, so since na-unscrew na natin itong colorful na EVOL P15, we'll take a look dito sa likod niya and see the internals. So, mala-tear down ang gagawin natin dito, no? So, ilang screw ang kailangan natin tanggalin? Tingnan natin, no? So, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 screws ang kailangan mo. So, matatanggal naman siya sa regular na Phillips screwdriver na maliit. So, mabilis na makabili ng ganito, no? And kailangan mo lang ng guitar pick to take this one off. And it looks something like this. Eh, mukhang maganda naman kanyang heat dissipation dito sa loob. Meron siya mga plates dito, no, to dissipate the heat faster. And sinabi ni Colorful, there's 6 na copper heat pipes dito sa loob to dissipate yung heat, no? So, let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tama nga na sinabi niya, there's 6 pipes, no, to dissipate the heat thoroughly dito sa loob ng system na ito, no? Which I think is definitely good. And ang dami pa ng mga copper plates dito, no, to further dissipate the heat. And meron siyang dalawang fan dito. Okay, so kita natin. Isa sa left, isa sa right. Now, this is the battery pack. So, let's quickly inspect lang, no? So, ang battery niya is a 3,390 mAh ang kanyang battery size and 17.4 VDC, volt DC, okay? So, we have here by default yung kind of 512 na PCIe and NVMe M.2, which we can expand one more dito. This is a PCIe 4.0 na pang-expansion natin, no? Which we can use a lot of brands out there, no? So, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo kung anong pwede kapit dito. And we have here is your memory module, no? So, this is a DDR5, okay? So, this is how it looks like. This is from Crucial, no? By Micron. So, this is a DDR5 na 16 gig, okay? 5600 ang clock speed niya. So, we can expand this one up to 64 gig. So, dalawang 32. Or kung meron kang spare or mabibili na 16 gig, pwede mo ipares to ng another 16 gig, no, to make it 32. So, but I think 32 is good enough. So, let's just put it as is. Wala akong spare na memory module, so to expand this one. So, we would go with 16 by default. Now, one of the storage na pwede ko i-recommend sa inyo is from Seagate. And this is the FireCuda 530. It's a PCIe Gen 4 na SSD na NVMe M.2. So, ganito itsura niya. So, all we need to do is just to slap it here. So, kailangan mo lang tanggalin tong screw na ito. This one. Okay. So, pag tanggal mo na ito, it's very easy na. One thing I like about kay Seagate is they give 5 years na warranty. So, my data is safe with them. So, after mo isalpak, ganito lang. So, your expanded na storage would look like this. So, this is a addition 1 terabyte on top sa 512 dito. So, all in all, you have 1.5 terabyte for your gaming needs. I think that's more than enough. So, next thing is to cover this up and screw back mo lahat ng screws dito. And that's it. Ganun lang kadali mag-expand. So after updating yung aking graphics card, the drivers dito, I was able to play 3 games. So taking on Counter-Strike 2, Forza Horizon 5, and of course, Cyberpunk 2077. So all of these titles, sinagad naman natin yung kanyang graphics and I was able to enjoy. Lalo na sa Counter-Strike 2. Yung game na ito is very nostalgic. Was able to play this way back nung college days ko. And it's back. It's really nice and one of my favorite is definitely Dedas. So medyo kinakalawang na ako sa game na ito, no? But I was able to gather quite a number of kills din dito sa game na ito. Playing Cyberpunk, it's really nice. Ang ganda ng kanyang graphics din dito sa kanya, no? Even though na you won't expect this one to perform as good as a 4070, but it does give you a good gaming experience dito sa Cyberpunk 2077. And even sa Forza Horizon 5, I would say na ang kanyang game experience is definitely good. So right now, try lang natin quickly ang kanang webcam. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang kanang quality. So right now, I'm recording using the colorful na EVOL P15, yung kanang standard na webcam. And of course, the audio is coming also from this laptop. This is a quick mic test and video test na dito sa colorful na EVOL P15. Yung kanyang webcam is pretty decent enough for you to use for live streaming or just simply web chat. But if you want better quality, I would suggest you use yung mga better na web cameras, or you can use some attachment like a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 as your web camera. So kamusta naman experience ko dito with the colorful na EVOL P15? Honestly, one of the first thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya is hindi siya mabigat. And that's probably one thing na mapapansin mo sa mga gaming laptops is sobrang bigat. And another thing is of course yung kanyang price point. It's below yung mga regular na gaming laptop that's being priced at mga 70,000, 80,000 and above. This one is being priced at 50,000 pesos. And you can buy sa mga offline store that I'll be posting on the description box below. Now what can I say about itong laptop ito? The experience dito sa gaming is definitely good. The watching videos, video editing dito is also good enough. Now probably the downside sa akin dito is kind of speakers not loud enough for me personally. Of course, I want it a little bit more louder. You can always use a Bluetooth speaker or you can use your favorite headphones, but sometimes ayaw mo may suot ka eh. So I think on the next edition, maybe P16, I hope they would bump up a little bit yung kanang sound quality. And plus 512 gigs of storage is a little bit bitin for 2023 since yung mga games install mo nga lang ng Cyberpunk saka ng Red Dead Redemption, halos puno na yung storage. So having a 1 terabyte might be better or siguro. But since napanood nyo naman ang teardown nito laptop na ito, alam nyo na kung saan pwede ilagay ang additional storage. So guys, if you're interested to buy this gaming laptop, I'll be posting the link on the description box below. And you can also buy from their offline store na I'll be flashing on this screen. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to share to your friends. And a subscription to this channel would definitely be appreciated. And I'll see you on the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.